The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Arkansas County, Cleburne County, Conway County, Faulkner County, Garland County, Grant County, until 8:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:26 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Williamsville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cleburne, Conway, Faulkner, Garland, Grant, Hot Spring, Jefferson, Lone Oak, Perry, Pope, Prairie, Pulaski, Saline. This includes Interstate 40 between mile marker 65 and 107. Interstate 30 between mile marker 65, 67 and 167. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/film and submit your report via social media, when you can do so safely.
This is an urgent message from the Little Rock Police Department. After when the severe thunderstorm passed, eyewitnesses reported that the moon changed into a greenish color hue, and when people witnessed it, are never to be heard from again. It is unknown if it affects this area in particular, as no distress calls have been received. Stay tuned for further information on this situation.
Tsunami Watch. Repeat, Tsunami Watch. The National Weather Service has issued a Tsunami Watch for all of Pamplona City counties, which include Bay, Calhoun, Gulf, Holmes, Walton, and Washington, along with the entire coast of Florida. If you are located in these counties or the coastal areas, stay alert for further updates. This is a particularly dangerous situation. At 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on July 14th, an earthquake with a preliminary Richter scale magnitude of 9.9 was detected in the east central United States, specifically in Mobile, Alabama, along with Little Rock, Arkansas, which has now been devastated entirely due to an incident involving the moon, which has caused a powerful disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico. Although this disturbance developed in an unusual way, the impact of the tsunami is still forecasted. Stay alert for further information on this possible tsunami impact. Immediate evacuation must be needed now. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Panama City Emergency Management. Residents in Panama City are under a mandatory evacuation. This is for your safety. There's an ongoing emergency in the Panama City area. Powerful waves in association with tsunamis have been observed in the area, causing floods, earthquakes, and more. In addition, these tsunamis were caused by the moon, or from an unnatural effect. Due to this, a mandatory evacuation is being issued for all of Panama City counties, effective until further notice.
Message is transmitted at the request of the Butte and Jackson County Emergency Management. Today at 2:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, it was reported that the Earth's moon changed color along with the sky. After when the sky and moon changed color, multiple reports of people experiencing coughing fits and bloodshot eyes have been received in numerous hospitals in Butte and Jackson County. Moments afterwards, people later transformed into blood-melting creatures with the craving to eat the flesh of a living organism. When they eat the organism, it melts into a piece of biomass-like consistency. The states that have been affected by this outbreak include Texas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, New Mexico, Utah, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. If you are in these states, evacuate now.